What's up, YouTube? Got a cool new idea for you today. Today we're going to be looking at how to white border our magic cards. Now, normally you wouldn't want to white border a valuable card here like Tarmogoyf, but I've been doing this for a few years now, so I would like to say that I have some experience. So the things that you'll need is, first off, you'll need painter's tape here. It's usually blue. This will not pull off the paint on the cards, so this is why you want to use this. This will help hold down the card. And then there's two methods to debordering your cards. You can use acetone or lacquer thinner to rub off the edges of the cards, or you can use an eraser. Now, first we're going to go over the acetone method. So for that, you're going to need your tape, obviously, your acetone, obviously, and then you're going to need some cotton balls. So we'll begin here by taping down our card. Now, we want to keep it taped down just so that way it's stable, just in case, you know, we get a little loosey-goosey with our debordering. Now, some people may ask, why do you want to deborder cards? Well, I don't know, really, to be honest. I just kind of started doing it, and then I noticed people were angry whenever I'd play with white bordered cards. So I just kind of started doing it more and more. So as you can see there, we're keeping it stable, and we seal off that part. Now this is where we want to start. We want to take it side by side. You don't want to be too aggressive, especially since this acetone is very, very strong. So first off, we're going to start. It's kind of a slow process. You're going to need patience. Be sure to douse your cotton ball with your acetone. Ooh, make sure to close that stuff. It's stinky, boy. Okay, and then you just give some rubs, and as you can see, some of the white stuff is starting to appear. White stuff, giggity. And as you can see right here, we've already completely removed the black almost entirely. Just do a few more scrubs. Make sure you want to get all that black off. No one wants black borders. I don't understand why they allowed you to have black borders with Modern Masters 2017 or Masters 25. They should have gone back with the classic white border, so that way people like me didn't have to do this. Seriously, I got like hundreds of commissions in line. See, there we go. So that's our first border. You want to make sure you don't have too much acetone, because as you can see, it kind of bled through there, and yeah, it's kind of not a good thing. And then obviously you want to go ahead and take off your tape there, and oh, she's looking beautiful. Alright, so we'll go ahead and start off with the second side here. And this time we'll use a little bit different of a method. Instead of completely dousing the cotton ball like we did last time, we're gonna try something new this time. Alright, as you can see, I have my acetone here in a little bowl here. It smells. I should probably open up a window, to be honest. It's kind of giving me a headache here, but oh god. This is kind of we want to do it like this. You douse it like that. You see, get it nice and wet, and then you start scrubbing. It's not coming off very well. You kind of have to scrub a little bit harder. Come on! Come the fuck on! Get the fuck on! Come the fuck on! Fuck! Fuck, I got acetone everywhere. Shit! Fuck! Alright, sorry about that. I had an episode there. Anyways, I got a new cardboard thing because our old one was wet. Now we're just going to go over the eraser method. It's obviously the more clean way. This is the way I'd suggest that you alter, just in case, you know, things get a little messy. And I already pre-taped the borders of this card here to, well, I actually borrowed it from a friend's binder. I didn't even really see what card it was. I kind of just wanted to surprise him with this new makeover to see how much he'd like it. But you want to cover the borders, or not cover the borders, but cover everything but the borders just so you can make sure that when you're erasing that you're not erasing the actual parts of the card, because that'd not be good at all. But this eraser method it's effectively the same thing. You want to be working around the borders, and it's going to be a little harder. I mean, you got to rub it, and you got to put some elbow grease into it. I mean, see, we already got some of it off there. Normally it's not that easy, but I think this was an older card of his. So, you know, you just keep rubbing a little bit. You rub it. You keep rubbing. You keep rubbing. Alright, see? We got some of it off there. It's weird. It looks a little pulsed or something. That's kind of strange. Whatever. And sometimes when you get to your eraser, it'll lose its edges a bit, and sometimes it's harder to get the edges of the cards here. So you'll want to start with a new eraser, like this, with the full corners and everything. So gotta get that bad boy unpackaged. Man, I'm so happy about this. I'm so excited for my friend to see what kind of like card for his commander deck that's just gonna be suddenly whiteboarded. He's gonna be so excited, dude. Alright, so we've pretty much whiteboarded our entire card here. Now let's take a look up close. As you can see, got rid of all of the white border. Perfect for trolling your friends or anyone that you're playing. So let's just go ahead and see what this looks like white bordered. I know it's an older card. It's probably one that they like didn't get white bordered or anything. I don't know. But so this eraser method is probably the best. It takes a little bit more time, you know, it takes some elbow grease, but hey, you know, a little effort never hurt anyone. And when you put effort into what you love and what you make, you know, people are gonna feel that. And god damn, this fucking tape won't come off. For fuck's sakes, this shit's just fucking indestructible. Alright. So let's go ahead and take a look.